She look like Baby Smurf, right? With all of this blue. Baby Smurf, Baby Smurf. Yeah, she look like Baby Smurf. But, Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. So if this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget guys to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. So we're getting ready to do our face, but I'm gonna do it a little bit different today. I'm kind of zoomed in because I want to do my eyes first. Okay, so I did a look with this palette from Juvia'S place the other day, and I really want to do another look, have something in mind. So let's first do a transition color. That palette does not really have a transition shade that I like, so I'm going to be taking her sister, Coffee Shop, and we're going to be doing a transition shade. I'm going to take this one up here, and let's just put that into her crease. Oh sorry, let me show you my brush. I just put some powder, some of the eyeshadow on it. I'm going to take the brush. I'm gonna try to keep you guys close. Put that into this transition area here, and we just want to take it up underneath the front of the brow. The color that I want to use for this look is this beautiful blue color here at the top. It's called Delta. I'm gonna take this more smaller brush and we're gonna pack it. And the reason why I'm gonna do my eyes last, because this may have some fallout. I'm gonna put some powder under my eye, just in case. I really don't want to have to clean off my face, you know what I mean? All right, so pigmented, right? So pretty. I'm putting it with my finger. I think my finger packs it on more to show the true color. Yeah, I'm gonna take a darker brown to kind of smoke out the middle, like right in here. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this burgundy color right here in the middle. I feel like I want that burgundy and brown looking, burgundy and blue looking color. That just came to mind, so I'm just going to take that and just go right across in the area where I put the transition shade, just to see how they look together, you know. It's giving that smoky vibe. And I'm just going to take a nude color and just kind of put right here at the brow bone. Just kind of give it a little highlight, okay? Okay y'all, so now I'm gonna prime my face using the Maybelline Grippy Serum. Alright. I'm gonna color correct just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to be using the Juvia'S Place I Am Magic Radiance in Gabon. We're pushing in the foundation, we're not swiping. Dragging it down on the neck this time. I'm going to be taking my Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer in 35N. Center, forehead, I'll put the lighter one in the center, just a little bit, right here. Juvia's Place Bronzer in Coconutty, Cocoa. And take it going upwards. I think I want to take a brush today and blend out my concealer. So I'm going to be taking this from the same brush set, BH Cosmetics Old. And just kind of pat it in. Blend out my forehead here. I'm going to start with blending out the edges. I'm going to contour my nose. Probably a little bit too much. Take it up underneath the front of the brow. Alright, let's blend out the edges of the concealer. Now what I've been liking to do lately, my last couple of videos, is use the Sephora translucent press powder to set my under eye first before I put the loose powder. Okay, we need to make sure that we don't have any creasing. Gives you the nice flawless look. Now I'm going to take the Juvia's Place press powder in Vanilla Bean. That's the I'm going to use the same puff. Alright, I'm gonna take this Sephora 12-hour colorful special effects liner And the shade is Celestial Blue. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna be looking like Mama Smurf over here, but it's okay. And it's like it's kind of like a shimmer color. I'm gonna put that underneath the lower lash line. It's kind of giving like a purplish bluish color. I'm gonna see if I can put it in my inner corner too. Right in the front here. All right, that's kind of pretty. I'm gonna put on my black e.l.f. liner, the waterline. I'm gonna take this pencil brush and try to smudge the liner a little. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna use the Fit Me powder. To set my face. 355. Taking this brush. Juvia's Place, Zambia. Take this angled brush. We're gonna put it right where we put the cream one. I'm gonna blend going upwards. Juvia's Place palette, do my blush. I'm gonna use maybe just these two colors here. I'll mix 1, 2, 3. Just because. Okay guys, so I put on some lashes, but these lashes I put them from like here to here. I didn't put like a full lash because I didn't want anything that will cover up my eyes, okay? All right, now I'm gonna, I need to put on some highlighter, but let me line my lips. I'm gonna line my lips with the Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. All right, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place lipstick. It's a little finished, so I'm just gonna take the back of a brush. Actually, I have a brush here that I can use. It's not really necessarily a lip brush, but let's see. This is Libra. And I'm not throwing this away until it's done because the color is perfect. And I have to brush off the powder from underneath my eyes. Let's go back over the line. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. This is a LA color lipstick. Just a slight drop right in the middle right here. You could barely see it. Just give it a pop. I don't think I'm going to put on any gloss today. All right, I'm just going to set. Let me put on some highlighter. This is the NYX Buttermelt highlighter. I'm gonna take this brush, put a little bit down my nose. Just off the under eye. Right, I'm gonna set my face using the Maybelline setting spray. Cover up the eyes. If this gets on the eye, it's gonna be crazy. A little bit of mascara. This is a Revolution mascara called Wispy. Okay. So these are the eyes, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's too much. But I like it. It's different. You know, I'm just trying to do a couple of different things over here. I feel like I want to take the puff and just like just brighten up right here in the corner. Right, like right in here, right here, right here, right here. And then I'll just brush it off right away. Also, I'll do here so my contour could stand out. I rarely do this part. Make those cheekbones pop a little more. And we're just gonna brush it off right away. That's my face, guys. That's my face. That is the finished look, beautiful people. I hope that you enjoy it. Lots of blue going on here. I hope you don't think it's too much, you know. Just, you know, playing in some colors. Just playing in some colors, but I hope you like it. It was a lot of fun. I'm just trying to use the, you know, my palette a lot. And I really, really enjoy this palette. And I hope you enjoy these looks, these eyes. Thanks for watching. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was very easy to follow. All right, guys. I think you should recreate this look and tag me. Okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. It was a lot of fun playing in some makeup again today. Please remember, guys, once you watch the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share with a friend or a few friends. Subscribe to the channel and also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.